Hi, I'm Krishna Koundinya and I'm a chartered accountant. I'm also a director of 9 Advisory, which is an Australian accounting and business advisory firm. We have our operations in India and Australia. We are on a mission to help 10,000 small and medium scale businesses achieve a better everyday life. We in these tough times are helping our clients by giving them some interesting reports which can help them to plan their future. COVID-19 has taken a very big toll on the economy and the businesses, and we have seen that the revenue has become standstill or even negligible. It is time for the companies to review the strategies, policies and procedures to protect their employees, the customers, and probably the business partners. They could do so by doing their balance sheet review. So it could be done very easily. Just take the balance sheet, go item by item. Say for example, if we talk of stocks, look at your stocks. You would have done it in ABC system. So find out those category of goods which are going to expire shortly and try to push them out as much as you can with the best discounts you could give. That way you would minimize your loss. Every business will have some critical costs. I think we should identify those critical costs. Usually the biggest three costs could include salary costs, rental costs and subscriptions. You could reach out to your employees and renegotiate their salaries. Probably pay around 70% or 50% of the salaries, and still they should be happy. But the worst could be that giving them a pin slip, which we would not really advise at this point in time. The other cost we're talking of is the rental cost. You could reach the landlords and again negotiate for a 50% reduction in the rental cost for about 3 months and see how it goes. The other costs are pretty much fixed, so you couldn't really do anything there. So after analyzing your balance sheet and understanding your critical costs or the biggest challenging costs for your business, you could plan for a cash flow forecast sheet. The cash flow forecast sheet is pretty much easy. Just start with your cash inflows and then list out the cash outflows, and then you'll arrive at the net position. So the cash flow forecast sheet could be for about 3 months, and you could see how your cash position is moving by adding all your inflows and outflows, so that you will be more prepared for your future. For our clients in Australia, we have been doing the cash flow forecast sheets with them and trying to analyze all their statutory payments, their wages and other payables, and see how their cash flow position is. And it is really helping them a lot. In India, we have the government assistance like the moratorium which they have announced, or the GST relief which they have announced. So please reach out to your professional advisor and see how you could save the statutory costs or postpone them at least until the June 30th. The challenges going forward for the businesses in India, I think, are investments in automation and digitization, innovation, of course artificial intelligence, and trying to fit to the new normal. For example, innovation. On a global scenario, we have seen for our Australian clients that the hotel businesses have started cookery classes on a subscription basis, and that's how they have added a revenue line item. So that could be the next in thing in India. So thank you so much for your time and patient hearing. I also take this opportunity to thank all my team, the 9 Advisory team in India and Australia, for all their hard work and efforts to see the smile on our clients' faces. Thank you so much again.